Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening your camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. All we have to do right now is to enter the settings, and it does not really matter on which mode you will be. You can be on the video, photo, beauty, etc. Just enter the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find restore defaults. Let's tap. Let's confirm it with OK. Of course, your device will ask you about the camera location, and this is the first evidence that we just successfully reset all preferences, because we previously had to either allow it or deny it, so it's up to you. And the second evidence is that we cannot see the green lines, they were disabled, and it means that we successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.